Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to unbox this. So this is ground effects. Okay. Okay. The actual character on this card is Spider Gwen or Ghost Spider. So originally Ghost Spider was the name given to. Now they are calling I think him a Spirit Spider. He's like Ghost Rider and Spider Man mixed into one. I mean, so I never actually seen him in any animated shows or anywhere, but I don't know. I don't remember at all now, but I know there is a character, there is even an action figure. So the very first time I heard about that character, I was excited, but since they never showcased him, I mean anywhere that easily, and even I think the Marvel Spider-Man game has a costume on based on that Spirit Spider. So with that said, okay, so let's unbox this without any delay. Okay, so here is the card art. Here also they are having the full character in the card, and that looks really nice with this neat spider, fat spider logo, which I personally love. I I still carry that fat spider logo in my purse. I mean, in my wallet every day. So that is like my lucky charm. Okay, with that said, let me throw this away. So here is the casting itself. Honestly, I may not like Spider Gwen and all, but the casting looks absolutely gorgeous. I mean, they did similar kind of livery on TZ or something, that is also a Spider-Man casting based on Homecoming. I do have that, I bought from one of this guy in Facebook. Since it's Spider-Man, I bought it. So it is in my Spider-Man box if I'm not wrong. So okay, let's talk about the livery here. I mean, they did really well on this particular casting. So so for this particular casting, the white paint job along with the Spider Gwen's white attire, that actually went really well because it has this black outlines, and you can see the web pattern here, that is actually really neat. So here you can see a little bit of that pink paint missing, but overall, I mean, even the logo, the small Spider Gwen head here, that looks really cool. It is supposed to be like this. Yeah, that looks really nice. And is it supposed to be a light or something? I'm not sure. Okay, no, not. So that looks really nice. I don't know if this casting is supposed to have any headlights or taillights. This is looking like a, like, what do you call that? There is a drag racing car kind of thing. So there is one more similar to drag race. They just you know go in obnoxious speeds and all. I don't remember what it is called. Just drop it in the comments if you guys know. So this is actually a hole. You can see the tires underneath. Okay, so the body is metal. So this part here, chromed out piece, the spoiler here, this is actually plastic, and the chassis is fully plastic. So this part here that integrates with this interior here, you can see this is all chromed out. I'm not sure what's the point of chroming out if they're uh, not letting us see the interior. Okay, so the rims are actually very different on this one. It is a bit purple. The rims are actually purple, and the wheels are very narrow. So I'm hoping this, since the contact surface is very less, I'm hoping this would roll really well. So this is a 2002 casting. I mean, okay, anyway, they're renaming, just they just repaint and re-release every year, that we know. Okay, so the rear actually has really cool details to it. I personally love this casting, even though I don't like this. I don't. Again, I am saying this one more time. I love the OG Peter Parker, and I love. Apart from that, I like 2099, um, Spider Punk, and Noir, and obviously symbiote Spider Man. So that is something different. So apart from that, I'm not really interested in other characters. They are just doing the same thing over and over again instead of just developing Peter's character in a good way. So okay, but on this particular casting, this looks really nice. Okay, let's weigh this casting. 39 grams, not bad. Okay, let's roll this casting. I was hoping this would roll really well, but okay, it does roll, but since the contact surface is very less, I think the wheel is wobbling a little bit. That's why it is going, like this. And I'm not sure if you guys can able to see, from your perspective in this video, but since I am actually looking overhead here, like, in this view, I am able to see it is actually not going straight. It is, like spiraling a little bit like this, you know, like this, but inside the track itself. That's the reason it is not reaching the end. See? Okay, so anyway, now let's rate the casting. So on the coolness factor, I would seriously give a 10 out of 10 because it actually looks really cool. I mean, uh, if your girlfriend loves Spider Girl, or if anyone in your home loves Spider Girl, or in general Spider Man, and you want them to drive that way, you can give this to them. This looks really cool. So, but okay, on the detailing aspect, again, I'm not sure if this casting is supposed to have headlights and all. So, so I'm not really sure about that. So for this particular casting, just along, just with the coolness factor, I'm going. So I'm just giving a 10 out of 10. So that's it for today, guys. If you like my video, hit the thumbs up button. If you love my video, subscribe. And as always, thanks for watching this video. Have a great day. Goodbye.